How to add multiple hairs on Roblox PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple hairs on Roblox PC. First, you have to open Roblox on your PC and log in to your Roblox account. Once logged in, click on the three bars at the top left corner. After that, click on the avatar button in the menu. This will open the avatar editor. Here, under the accessories section, locate the hair accessory you want to add to your character. You can also use the search bar or browse through the categories to find it. Now, click on Advanced. Here, you have to enter the number of the hair you want to add. Now, go to the Head and Body section and click on Hair. Simply click on the hair accessory you want to add. After that, it will be highlighted or displayed on your character in the avatar editor. To add multiple hair accessories, repeat steps 4 and 5 for each additional hair accessory you want to add. Once you've added all the desired hair accessories, click on the Save button to apply the changes to your character. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.